What's up guys, Chase here. I was doing some work on my 2002 C5 Z06, cleaning up the interior, just doing some little stuff here and there, and I decided to make a quick video. I'm replacing the window switch panels on both the driver's side and the passenger side door. I originally did this because, as any of you know, if you own a C5, the interior quality on these things is not the best. So on mine, the panel has started to kind of crack. That rubber, weird kind of rubber cover that it has on it has started to crack and lift up and tear. And so I decided to go ahead and swap that out because it bothered me a lot. And so I actually initially ordered just the driver's side. And when I put it in, it looked awesome, first of all. But the thing I noticed then was that the one on the driver's side was noticeably different than the one on the passenger side. The driver's side one is all nice and bright, and it's like a white light, very, you know, modern looking. And then on the passenger side, you can tell that it's 20 years old. So I decided to go ahead and swap that out, and I decided to make a video while I was at it. Since the driver's side is already installed, I'm not gonna have that side, but it is the exact same to do the passenger side as it is to do the driver's side. So, and I'll show you a quick clip of what the new one looks like as opposed to the old one looks like right here. So you can see obviously a very noticeable difference. So what I wanted to do, I wanted to go ahead and swap that out. Figured I'd bring you along with me in case anyone has wondered how to do this on their C5. And I imagine it's probably, well, I don't know what the C6 is like. It might be fairly similar, I'm not sure. But if you wanted to know how to do this on your C5 Corvette, this is how you do it. It's very simple and straightforward. So it's a super simple job. All you need to do this is a flathead screwdriver. I picked a short one because it's just easier to get, well, for me it's easier to get under there. Long one will be fine. And obviously a new switch panel. This one I picked up from SWITCHDOCTOR off of Amazon. It is, I think I paid $30. I paid $30 for this one. I think the other one on the driver's side is pretty much the same, $30 to $40. Extremely simple. In fact, what you're gonna see here is the clip that you're going to need to depress on the factory one to get your OEM one out. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your screwdriver and come on here to the top, and you're gonna feel that pin. Once you do, I recommend kind of coming along, tying it up a little bit. You can even see this one was starting to tear anyways. And then you'll be able to pull back or pull kind of upwards. Looks like I'm still a little bit caught on the clip. There we go. And now I should be able to, pull back. I should, there it is. Start release. Take your screwdriver, unclip it, pop it out. There you go. Now, just quick swap. Pop the new one on there. Actually, do I have that right? Yep, that's right. Bam. I mean, you can already see how, like, instantly, how freaking bright that is. I mean, that's awesome. It's gonna look way better now. So now, what we do, we shimmy this thing in there. Yep, push down. And just like that, well, the key's not in the ignition, these aren't gonna work, but it works, lock and unlock. And it's pretty easy to find them on Amazon. All you do is just look up, I believe it was C5 Corvette window switch panel or something like that. And it cost, this side was $30. I think the other one might have been $40 because it's a little bit bigger. But again, the installation on the other side was exactly the same. So super easy, and yeah, that's it.